This could be the greatest collapse of marketing that you've ever seen. The great content collapse is already here, and it's demolishing traditional SEO. If your business has been revolving around search engine optimization, you better be prepared. You better be prepared to change channels and change directions really fast, because AI is taking over and it's demolishing your search results. 10 years ago, for every 2 pages that Google scraped, it gave you 1 visitor. 10 months ago, for every 6 pages Google scraped, it gave you 1 visitor. Now, for every 18 pages that Google scrapes, it gives you 1 visitor. And to make matters worse, 90% of all people doing a search now are never leaving the search summary section or page. They're not visiting a single site. They're taking in the summary, getting the information that they want fast and easy without any further clicks. It's all about AI having the least path of resistance. Human beings are lazy. As a marketer, you need to understand that. And if you don't change direction now, and if you don't get smarter with your channels, and you keep relying on the old ways of doing things, you're going to be in for a rude shock. Your website traffic will dive, and your business and revenue will suffer. AI is becoming the new default for search. People going into ChatGPT or Copilot or Gemini, and they're getting the information that they need without landing on one single page. The great content collapse is here. The great collapse with search engine optimization is here. The great content collapse is here. SEO is no longer what it used to be. You cannot rely on SEO alone. So then the question is, well, what else do we do? What other channels is there? Considering that organic social media posting doesn't give you much reach. Like we all know that everyone that's had a business page for the last 5 years has seen their organic reach decline. It's not getting more, it's getting less year by year. So what other channels are there? Well, it's the tried and true channels of paid advertising. Paid advertising is going to be the only channel that you can rely on to consistently reach out and pull people in to your business using direct response marketing. You can't rely on creating content for your social media sites alone and just think that that's going to be enough. Unless you're an influencer, someone who can entertain and educate people en masse and at scale, most small business owners and entrepreneurs and enterprises will never do that. They'll never crack that influencer level engagement on social media. Now, to make it worse, SEO is going on the same way as organic social media posts. So in the months and years ahead, your business, your marketing, your sales funnels, everything that you do needs to hang on paid advertising. Paid advertising across multiple channels. You've got to start thinking outside the box. Traditionally, you might have started with Google and then gone to Meta Facebook advertising. Now you're going to have to think about Pinterest advertising, TikTok advertising, YouTube advertising. It'll be multiple paid advertising channels. Where people used to do SEO, email marketing, and a bit of paid advertising on Google and or Meta, I'm predicting the future will be the savvy entrepreneurs and the savvy business owners and the savvy companies and brands. They will be the one that get their brands and reach people across multiple platforms, on paid advertising platforms of the open web, programmatic, Google, YouTube, TikTok, Quora, Pinterest, all of those different channels, Reddit, all of those different channels where you can do paid ads. That's where the real winners will show up in business and in the brands. So if you're a business and you're a brand and you want some omni-channel paid advertising advice, why don't you reach out to me and my team at Bubblegum Marketing and we can set you in the right direction. You can join one of our boardrooms if you want some coaching and consulting and you want us to show you how to do it, or myself and my professional team can do your paid advertising channels for you. We'll do all the creatives, the copywriting, the strategies, and will work on your goals and objectives of your business and align that with your paid advertising strategies. That is the surest way to have an insurance against what is the great content collapse and the collapse of what is known as traditional SEO and just waiting for people to land on your website organically. Start now. Start building the data and the traffic in your paid advertising platforms, and that's where you'll win in the months and years ahead as AI becomes the new default for search and optimization of search engines.